What's going on, y'all? I know this is a little different. I don't film at work, but I am today. Working on the bucket. We're gonna pull the downpipe off. It's not too hard. You guys already know what needs to be done, but I figured it's 9-10 content. Why not film it, right? I'll show you guys a little bit of what's going on and why we're pulling it, and go from there. See you guys in a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk up underneath the car. You guys know that it is a 3-inch catless downpipe. And as you can see up top, let's see if we can get a better picture, better view. Up top there, it's actually broken at the very top of the flex pipe. If you look above the downpipe, you'll see all the exhaust soot. So yeah, it's been very loud, very annoying. You can see all the soot on the half shaft and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the downpipe, drop it off at PYC, and go from there. You guys should remember PYC. We've been there before. He's done some work for us before. He always helps us out, especially when we're in a pinch and we need things done really fastly. He's always there. And I keep saying PYC, it's no longer PYC, it's Applied Pressure. Applied Pressure Automotive. We're gonna go by there today. We're gonna drop it off, show you guys around the shop again, give you guys his info again, make sure you shout him out. And as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. This is a work video, so hopefully I don't get in trouble. And a few people have asked what suspension's on the car. Yes, it is just on a set of D2 springs and a set of SPL control arms. And that is it. Other than that, the suspension is stock. It rides great, rides phenomenal. All right, so we did go ahead and access the top bolts and remove them already. And nuts, I did not put you guys on a time lapse, I am sorry. But I will put you guys down inside my little box here. And we can do the rest of this really quick. Up with it! Well, damn. All right, let's try that again. That was pretty fun. Funny thing is, I think this downpipe has been taken off more times than it should have been already. But hey, whatever. Just want to make sure it's still attached up there. Don't mind that, it's just an eco slow. I mean an eco boost, I mean an eco boom. I know. It's definitely got a miss, I can tell you that much. Oh, that sounds awesome! No, that wasn't leaking at all, guys. I unplugged it. I'll plug it back in.
Oh, I was only doing to keep the fuel away from you.
You're good. I don't care. I'm filming. It don't really matter. I'm not paying attention to it. I should. You see that? People that I work with do care about me, surprisingly enough. I don't know. I guess we'll see if they're telling me for this. If they're telling me for this and they don't care about me that much. I'm pretty sure you guys can see where it's leaking from. It's very, very obvious. taking this to the shop so I can cut it off and put any flex pipe in it?
Oh. That's it?
For now, yes. And then I'm putting an extra tip back in it.
Hey, I thought we were selling it.
Alright, so I'm pretty sure you guys can see where it's leaking from. You guys aren't that stupid. So, if you look underneath the vehicle, and down it goes. Nobody saw that. If you guys look underneath here, you'll see where the exhaust was leaking before. It's everywhere. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. Car will be a whole lot quieter. And yeah, probably pick this video up tomorrow or something. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, see you guys in a minute. Y'all let me know what you think. Spray the 9th gen, boost the 9th gen, sell the 9th gen. It is listed for sale. So if you guys know anybody that wants it, full bolt on 9th gen for sale, let me know. If not, we'll see. All right, well, my significant other just got here, so we're going to leave this sight scene like this and walk out. So you guys heard me talk or mention the comment about selling the car, right? Well, babe is actually here to pick me up, and she's parked next to the truck that we want to purchase. It's actually pretty funny that she happened to park right next to it. She really wants to piss me off. The low life problems. Well, remember I was dropping this off, but as we were on the way here, I remembered that my girl's car cannot fit over all these speed bumps. So in that case, I had to walk from the beginning of the parking lot, and I'm gonna drop it off now. And he's not even here. He's actually gone for the day, so unfortunately, I'm gonna leave it somewhere. All right, now that shenanigans is over with, we are going to walk back to the car. Wish me luck. Unfortunately, we have a long ass walk. Let's see, actually, we walk across here. Look, babe's all the way down there. Sitting on the other side of the tour bus. No, that's not our tour bus. Ooh, Supra. Is that a Supra? Some of you guys know this struggle. You guys ever wonder what people think of you when you're walking past filming them? Or filming yourself but talking? They look at you like you're partially, like you're just a little bit crazy. But hey, whatever. And look, 5 minutes later, we finally made it back. Alright, so we're gonna test out this new camera. We don't got no gimbal, no nothing on us today. My girl and I didn't even plan on buying new phones. On the way home from AT&T though, after purchasing new phones, we ran across a car meet. So we're gonna see what we film. Yes, I'm in my work shirt. And yeah, see you guys in a minute. And look at that. Nick, that I work with, is here, parked up. I don't know where he is though. Got a gang of cars.